Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bome. All right, wanted to do a full update. Wanted to give you my thoughts. The last time I covered this was Thursday, the 16th of May. So that was last week when we had a lot of bullish momentum, which is kind of the same situation as we are in right now. Last week, I think it was a little bit different because it was really one big move, and you can also see we retraced back down very, very quick. And we spent some time down here longer than I expected. All right. So what was going on for Bome is that we were consolidating very, very much between 1 cent and 1.25 cents. And by getting this breakout, what I thought is that, all right, well, now we have enough momentum and this breakout is strong enough with the market circumstances that we can actually hold this support level, and that we can start to rally up to 1.4 and 1.45 cents, where we have the 0.618 fib, which was also the main resistance yesterday of this move down. So that was a good price target. So what happened in the end is that we retraced that entire move, all right? And that's also something I want to talk about, in that I do think that Bome can rally. And right now, and I'll show you in a moment, purely technically, I think Bome is bullish. The thing is that you see these big buy orders coming in, big open interest spikes like these, where basically in a matter of 1 hour, almost $20 million in positions are being opened, which means usually, and I also think that's the case right now, that a crypto is manipulated, or at least that whales are playing around with it. And I also think that's the case right now. All right, so what that means is be careful. All right, don't get, at some point of time, like I said, especially if the markets stay relatively bullish, I think Bome technically is bullish. So at some point of time, we're going to get a rally that sustains. But for now, most of these very bullish candles just retrace. All right, whales buy up a lot. Retail starts buying up because they think it's rallying, and they sell off into retail, making a minimal profit usually. But all right, so that's what you need to know. Now, if you zoom out, if you go to the daily time frame, for example, this is very much, it looks like a bullish reversal, right? Especially after breaking this massive resistance around 1.25, which we have now broken above and also retested. We are bullish. All right, we found some resistance yesterday because we hit a massive resistance level here at 1.45 and ultimately all the way up to 1.5, and it's not going to be able to, we're not going to be able to easily break above that level. But as long as the market stays relatively bullish, which is dependent on the Ethereum ETF, as long as the market stays bullish, then on the daily time frame we have started a bullish reversal. And on the 4-hour time frame, we've done the same, right? We already gained quite a lot of momentum here at the beginning of May, consolidated for a longer period of time, but starting the 15th of May, we already started some bullish momentum there as well. So technically, we're turning bullish. It is dependent on the market circumstances, but at this moment, assuming that the market circumstances will stay relatively good, I have to tell you that I think it's most likely that we will consolidate here for a bit longer. Like I said, that level around 1.45 and 1.5 is quite strong, but ultimately, and I cannot stress this enough, it is dependent on the market circumstances, but ultimately I expect us to break out above that and to start to rally up to the next price target, which is probably this level around 1.7 and 1.75 cents. So that's what I expect, right? I think that's most likely in line with the technicals plus the market circumstances. Now, in the meanwhile, like I said, we can have fake outs, we can have big spikes up. It is relatively manipulated. And I do think because of the strength of that resistance, that will consolidate down here for a bit longer. But if meme coins start rallying, if the ETF gets accepted, we have a chance to break out. And I do think a breakout is most likely eventually. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And bye.